Today we're going to talk about what trading is in simple words for beginners and experts. In simple words, crypto trading is the successful opening of long or short positions thanks to which we can increase our balance. I will tell you how exactly this can be achieved. But you probably think it's too late to enter the world of cryptocurrency? I can assure you that it's not. In fact, the development of the industry is going at great pace. Yes, there are strong falls, but then there are strong rises, and these are the moments that we will learn to identify. What is a long position? Let's say you have learned that Bitcoin will cost 10 times more in a while. You buy a certain amount of Bitcoin at the bottom of the market, and the moment of reaching the maximum price, you sell it and you get your net income. What is short position? This is the opposite situation. Let's say you know that Bitcoin will fall in value at the right moment before the fall, you open a short position, and when the price reaches the bottom, you collect your income. How exactly to understand when to open a position on short or long? You can always find out the answer to this question from my Telegram channel, where I publish various news related to the crypto world. Exactly how does one go about trading? You can do intraday trading or you can hold long-term investments. Intraday trading can earn a lot, but it requires maximum concentration from the trader. Without basic knowledge of risk management and money management, intraday trading or scalping is not recommended. There are also medium-term and long-term trades. On these trades, you earn due to the fact that you know that in the future time there will be a price necessary for you on which you will fix your income. How to find out when the price will be can be different ways, from market analysis to personal insights. You can also make money by simply buying back coins. For example, you bought Bitcoin when it cost $20,000, now you can sell it for $40,000. If you wait some more, you can sell it for $140,000. The same applies to other cryptocurrencies. But cryptocurrencies are different. There are one-day coins, usually they open with a big bang, giving great hopes for a successful project, but sometimes they turn out to be artificially inflated, and people who invested in such a coin cannot exchange them because there is no supply and demand. There are also altcoins, such as Ethereum. Such coins have already proved their right to exist and may even surpass Bitcoin itself. And so we're done with the theory. Let's talk about the practical part. How exactly should you trade? I will try to answer that for you. First of all, think with your head and not with your emotions, so you can save yourself from moments when the market goes down and you are afraid to sell all your investments, and after some time, the position you successfully closed started to grow strongly. Secondly, research all kinds of sources thoroughly. For example, one tweet by Elon Musk could have a very strong impact on the entire crypto industry, and those people who followed these movements made a lot of money. You could be one of them. Thirdly, know how to wait. Do not hope for a miracle, because overnight is very unlikely to wake up a millionaire unless, of course, you did know certain information, because it is hard work, but this work is worthy and very respected. If you dedicate yourself to this business and follow the simple rules, you will be at guaranteed success. And fourthly, watch your health. It is the most important thing in any kind of activity and life itself. If your mind is clear and healthy, you will be able to analyze much more clearly and better, and therefore your performance will increase exponentially, just like your investment portfolio. Today we have talked about the topic of crypto trading. I hope you have digested this information. In future videos, I will cover each of the topics in details, because it is impossible to talk about such thing in brief, because every bit of information is worth its weight in gold. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description below this video, as well as to my YouTube channel. Leave likes, turn on notifications, and write your precious comments. That was Michael with you. Until we meet again soon.